Welcome back, Avances. Right now, I have with me the Principal Consultant of Leadership Hiring, none other than Miss K3 Shira.
Thank you, Arjun. And I'm very happy to be a part of this podcast.
So, K3, I do have another question for you. It's like, innovation is at the heart of our organization. How do we foster an environment that encourages creativity, out-of-the-box thinking, and innovation?
Perfect. I'm glad that I'm actually talking about one of these core values, and innovation is very close to my heart as well. So the very word innovation, holds a lot of gravitas.
Okay.
Very simply put at its core, what it is all about is process of revitalizing, bringing in newer ideas. At once, we have embraced innovation to be one of our core values. Which translates to, it's not the responsibility of just a select few in the organization. It becomes a company-wide kind of responsibility. It also means that every individual in the organization is encouraged to look at better ways of working with our clients, serving our customers better, also trying to see how we can improve our internal costs. Then bringing in what efficiency is there, looking at how we can work better with our internal teams and just smarter ways of work we implement.
Yes.
And it's always a unified effort. It's cascading down from the senior leadership there. What is the attitude that is generally seen is we're not looking at them as products, we're looking at them more as possibilities. So the questions that we're asking ourselves is, if we're doing something right, now can we do it better? Can we replicate? Can we scale this process? So when you are asking these questions, any new approach that is coming your way, any new idea, is always we know that's how was for we give way. And it really doesn't matter who it is coming from. It could be from somebody who was very new to the organization, and so you're freshly inducted into the workforce, or it could be a seasoned professional.
Okay.
It could also be somebody who has come from a completely different industry sector. Each one of them is able to bring in a new perspective with a fresh outlook. So when you have the entire organization's efforts being valued, then it creates a very positive energy, which is almost infectious.
Understood.
But it can also be very chaotic, like frankly.
Okay.
But if it is managed well, and if it is harnessed well, then it's always able to create the right kind of results and the desired results that we are looking at. Because at the end of the day, innovation is nothing but managed chaos.
Okay, understood. One more thing, Kirti. Can you please share any kind of an example where, this innovation has brought a significant change within our company?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. In fact, one classic example that I would like to share is something that almost every employee in the organization will be able to relate to. And this is our very own pet project, which was indigenously developed within the organization. This is our application tracking system.
Okay, you're talking about Bicep.
Oh, yeah, of course. So, a very, very robust platform that has taken into consideration views, insights, and inputs of people across levels within the organization. So be it the delivery teams, be it the candidate management teams, the account management teams, the commercial team, legal, finance, HR, everybody has contributed to it in some way or the other for its current shape and form. Right?
Okay.
So each of our business units, we've followed our own systems and procedures. But now what's happening is all of those that we had followed within our own business unit is now being mirrored onto the platform. So what happens with this is the acceptance is very high. And also the benefits from it are also very good because, the magic of data and numbers and all that, right? So we have quite literally transformed using innovation from being an organization that was working in silos to now being a fully integrated, fully technology-enabled side of an organization that is able to work seamlessly. So, this and many such examples that I quote, is proof that innovation has served us well, that will continue to do so. And the culture of innovation that we have embraced and adopted will probably see us through challenging times, dynamic times, and the ever-changing business landscape.
Thank you so much, Kirti. That's all from my end. I'm pretty much sure that my audience has got the exact meaning of what innovation stands for. I really appreciate your presence. Thank you so much for your time.